The markup matrix allows you to progressively scale your parts markup according to what you paid for each part, rather than a single markup being applied to all parts and materials. In other words, parts that cost you less than $1 can be marked up at a much higher rate than parts that cost hundreds of dollars. We recommend using multiple levels to improve profitability while remaining competitive where it counts. Adjustments may be made in either the markup or profit margin column. The other will then update itself according to your input. If you make any updates to an existing matrix setting, there is the option to also apply this to current inventory items that fall inside that range. This will include a dialog box stating that inventory items and can jobs that include those part records will be updated to use the new markup percentages. When you answer yes, the selling prices on items that fit into that cost range will be changed. If you choose not to apply the matrix to existing inventory, then the changes to the matrix markup will only apply to items added to orders or inventory after the change. The matrix settings affect all one-time entry parts and all inventory items that do not have user-entered sale price checked. That option is used to lock the sell price on items so marked, regardless of changes made to matrix settings. The inventory update screen includes the option to turn user-entered sale on or off for a range of selected part records. The last cost or average cost selection is a global decision. It will influence where parts land on the matrix, and also parts profit figures on reports will read differently depending on which method is selected. Please note that average cost data keeps calculating as long as the part quantity on hand remains above 0. If it falls to 0 or negative quantity, the average data starts over when the part quantity is once again above 0. For some additional thoughts about markups and an overview discussion of markup versus gross profit, go to Help, Documentation, and check out the Setup Workbook.